This is the X5 from my friend. Thank you my friend, for this X5 now arrive here in my house. Thank you. Dumating na po itong X5 na binigay sa akin, na ayaw magpakilala. Ayaw niyang banggitin ang kanyang pangalan kasi baka meron daw magselos. Basta maraming salamat sa iyo sa nagbigay nito for this X5. This is my dream camera. Thank you so much for giving me this camera as a gift. Thank you so much. We'll open now the box. We'll see what inside this box. Thank you again. Oh, mahirap siyang buksan. Oh, you see? Oh, the Instant 360 X5 8K and 360 action cam. It's the box. Yes, it's the box. Instant 360. Wow, thank you so much. This is my dream camera. Thank you so much. Inside here is another, the lens cap. The lens cap. And invisible stick, selfie stick. And Instant 360 memory card, 256 GB memory card. And so I have the battery, Instant 360 X5 battery, and the other is the power wrap. This is the inside the box. We have the camera, the Instant 360 X5 8K action camera, and the lens cap, yung protection sa lens, and the battery, and also the memory card, and the invisible selfie stick. Wow, this is my dream camera. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa nagbigay, na ayaw niyang i-mention yung kanyang pangalan. Thank you for this. It's a big blessing to me. Thank you so much. Very thank you. This is the invisible selfie stick. Oh yeah. And the lens cap protection. protection lens cap. And the battery, we'll open the battery. Let's see the battery. 360. It's the card, the safety guidelines. Yeah. Battery. And open the battery here. It's the battery. Very look expensive, very expensive. We will now open the camera, action camera. We're going to open this. I don't know how to copy. Maybe this one. This one. Look. Wow. Camera. Oh, looks. Wow. So beautiful. Thank you so much for this camera. We're inside. We look inside here. The pouch, yung lalagyan pouch, and the charger, and the yung pamunas, the cloth pamunas. And the charger, type C cable. Side is the sticker, Pepsi card, the warranty card, quick starts intensity guidelines. So back to the camera. Wow, like so beautiful, very beautiful, very nice. Let's check battery. Oh, just the charger. Thank you so much again for giving me this my my dream camera. Thank you so much again. Kasi ayaw niya kasing banggitin yung kanyang pangalan. Kaya maraming salamat sa'yo. Makagawa na ako ng content. I will do content here. Thank you so much again. Like this. Oh yeah, thank you so much again for giving me this very beautiful, my dream camera, Insta360 X5. Oh, thank you so much. I can't believe this. I have this expensive camera. Thank you again. So ayun lang. Thank you sa mga nanonood. Thank you for watching. So I want to say thank you and God bless. Peace out.
I just want to say thank you. Nothing more, no play.
Mga kapitbahay!